elegant, giving it a timelessness. And I must say that ever since I signed on to them, I started looking at gold in a completely different way than ever before. So very happy to be here. I hope you like the TVC that we made. It should be on air really soon. And very, very happy to be associated with D Damas. Thank you. We actually sat down when we discussed the concept for this ad. We sat down quite a while before we went to the location and talked about, just basically what we wanted to express through the advertising for this year. And because it's Italian design, we came up with the idea of the creative team came up with the idea of shooting it in Italy, and I couldn't be happier about that, because that meant having a chance to go to Milan to shoot the stills and the press photographs that you see all around you today, and the television commercial which was shot in Rome, on location, at the Vatican City, at the Colosseum, at some really beautiful locations. I think this year I've been associated with D Damas now for 2 years, and I think this year we're a lot more organized, we're a lot more clear about where we want to go with the brand. I think we've gotten a lot more visibility planned for this year. And I sometimes say, last year I looked at the collections and I was like, okay, it's nice. This year I was really ecstatic. I would just say that I wish I was Ravana. I had so many heads that could wear those many earrings and necklaces and things like that, because it really is a stunning collection. And I'm really happy to see that we did this. The television commercial was shot about a month and a half, 2 months I think ago. And we've been waiting for the perfect opportunity to come out with it. Also, we wanted to have the products available in India, so we are here now, and all the women that are here, please go out and check it out. All the men who are here, D Damas is making jewelry affordable in this country, so you can pick up something that's really beautiful, without busting your bank balance. To reckon with, it's a brand that's recognized world over, so when you are buying something or purchasing something from it, you're getting a quality product that you will, which will last you a lifetime. So, it's fantastic to be associated with a brand like this, to be able to bring out a collection that is so elegant and so beautiful. And I had a wonderful old man who was about 80 years old, who was with me in the campaign, and any day that I got ready, he came out, he would compare me to Sophia Loren, and then compare me to Gina Lolo Brigida. So at least for 2 days, 3 days that we shot it, I felt like a queen. But it really was an amazing experience and wonderful to be part of.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend, but I think D Damas and its gold expressions are kind of redefining that statement a little bit. I would say that yes, all that glitters for women definitely is gold. So having a friend like gold doesn't hurt too much. ज़्यादातर से मेरी जो ज्वेलरी स्टाइल है वो ज़्यादा क्लासिकल है. जब मैं ज्वेलरी खरीदती हूँ तो आई ट्राई टू सी कि मैं अगर वो पीस 2 साल 5 साल 10 साल बाद भी पहनना चाहूँगी, आई कैन स्टिल टेक इट आउट एंड वेयर इट. तो इट्स जस्ट सिंपल, जैसे गोल्ड वेडिंग बैंड होती है या जो रिंग्स होते हैं, या आज जैसी कलेक्शन दमास ने लॉन्च किया है, वो काफी क्लासिकल टाइमलेस कलेक्शन है. तो ये नहीं है कि एक फैड है या एक ट्रेंड है और आप इसे सिर्फ एक सीजन के लिए पहन सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर इट फॉर एनी सीजन एट एनी एज फॉर एनी रीजन. आई थिंक जहां तक स्टाइल का सवाल है, आई थिंक द इटालियंस हैव ऑलवेज प्रूव्ड कि दे आर द मास्टर्स ऑफ स्टाइल. Or India tying up with Italy to come up with exclusive designs that haven't been available before in India really does make a difference. और जैसे आपने कहा कि ज्यादातर से आज लोग जब गोल्ड के बारे में सोचते हैं तो नॉर्मली वो ट्रेडिशनल वेडिंग ज्वेलरी जो रहती है उसके बारे में सोचते हैं लोग. तो नॉर्मली बहुत सारी औरतें अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में गोल्ड चेन या गोल्ड रिंग से ज्यादा गोल्ड नहीं पहनते, या गोल्ड छोटे से टॉप्स कुछ पहन लेते हैं, और वो भी बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल डिजाइन में. तो आज आपको मौका मिल रहा है या आपको चॉइस मिल रही है जहां आप गोल्ड को आप किसी पार्टी पे पहन सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर इट टू द वर्क प्लेस. इट्स एक्सेसिबल, इट्स लाइट, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट्स क्राफ्टेड, वेरी एलिगेंट. आई थिंक ये जो नेकलेस और रिंग है और जो इयररिंग्स है, मैंने ऐसे स्टाइल्स पहले कभी नहीं देखे हैं गोल्ड में, एंड इट मेक्स मी फील फेमिनिन. इट मेक्स मी फील कि मैं एक स्टेटमेंट बना रही हूँ. काफी प्रोमिनेंट ज्वेलरी पीस है. अगर आप ये पहन के कहीं पे जाओगे तो ऑफकोर्स पीपल आर गोइंग टू नोटिस यू एंड टॉक अबाउट इट. एट द सेम टाइम ये ऐसा ज्वेलरी नहीं है जो बहुत ही हैवी है और आपको लग रहा है कि आपके गले में कुछ ज्यादा टाइम के लिए आप पहनोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि मेरे गले में कुछ फंसा हुआ है या मैं कुछ बहुत ही ही heavy कुछ पहन रही हूँ. So it's really light, it's elegant, it makes me feel just beautiful and looked at. दी दमास्क के पहले I think ज़्यादातर से जैसे मैं कह रही थी मेरे भी व्यूज़ गोल्ड के बारे में बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल थे. मैंने सोचा अगर मुझे गोल्ड खरीदना है तो मैं ज़्यादातर से कोई गोल्ड टॉप्स खरीद लूंगी या एक गोल्ड चेन खरीद लूंगी. But then it stopped there. I couldn't experiment with gold. तो आज मुझे मौका मिल रहा है कि मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट भी कर सकती हूँ. And of course I'm brand ambassador for Dabas, which means I'm lucky enough to get my hands on some of the stuff. The Damas has a different sub-brand also called Glitterati, which has different brand ambassadors, other actors and actresses designing for them. With gold, I'm their representative, I wear their jewelry, I personify what their jewelry is about. But so far they haven't let me get my hands on designing anything. So if that does happen in the future, why not? This collection was thought about, and of course this collaboration happened with Indian gold being designed and styled in Italy. We thought about a concept of taking this ad and shooting it in Italy itself. So we had thought of a few options. We had thought of Venice and Rome, of course. We ended up shooting it in Rome. We shot at the Colosseum, we shot at the Vatican City, and some really, really beautiful locations. The concept was very cute. It was supposed to be, an old gentleman taking around this young girl, showing her the city, and this young boy chasing them constantly. And of course, this girl is very flattered. She thinks he's talking about her, but in actuality, he's talking about the jewelry. But it was a great experience. It's the first time that I've shot a television commercial with Damas, and I'm really excited with the results.